Tagum City Giant Christmas Tree as of November 20th, 2025. The Philippines' tallest holiday tree sits upright at the City Hall Square at the City Hall of Tagum with a total height of 202 feet. Surrounded by colorful light bulbs, this Christmas tree represents various aspects and features of the city. The color red signifies how strong Tagum City has remained despite adversities. Here's a glimpse as they prepare for lighting up our iconic holiday tree and officially opening the season of joy, hope, and togetherness.